Let's visit a few things about Bitcoin. Bitcoin shows up on the planet in 2009. Bitcoin has a few firsts. Bitcoin is the first time in human history where two parties can come together and exchange wealth without a middle party that they need to mint the asset, without a middle party that they need to store the asset, and without a middle party that they need to build a payment rail to transfer the asset. Bitcoin is the first time in human history where it's limited, it's finite. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin. There's no asset that's ever existed in history, perhaps other than time, that is scarce and finite. Bitcoin is the first time in human history where two or more parties can come together and agree on how many of a certain asset exists. So think of real estate, stocks, bonds, think of dollars. It's impossible to know how many existed 20 years ago, how many existed 200 years ago, how many will exist in 200 years. Bitcoin is the first time in human history that you can, with certainty, know how many existed in 2009, that is, were minted and put out in circulation in 2010, this afternoon, 5 years from now, 500 years from now. Bitcoin is the first time in human history that two or more parties can come and have a consensus as to how many there are, how many there were at any point in time, how many there will be at any point in time, who has them, who had them, and if a certain party who possesses Bitcoin wants to transfer those Bitcoin to another party, whether that transfer actually happened. Folks can come to consensus on all of those experiences about Bitcoin.